In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect purchase orders using Jotform. Jotform is an excellent tool for creating custom forms, and setting it up for purchase orders can streamline the ordering process for your business. So let's dive right in and get you set up. We'll start by heading over to jotform.com. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up, but for today, I'll assume you have your credentials ready, so go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, navigate to your Jotform account. Now find the form you want to modify from your list of forms. Open that form to begin adding the elements we need. Now that you've opened the form, you'll want to click on the Edit Form button. This option lets you access all the tools and elements you need to customize your form, and this is where the magic happens. In the form builder, look for the Add Form Element button. Clicking this will reveal a list of options, and you'll want to focus on the Payments tab, which is specifically designed for these transactions. Next, in the Payments tab, search for the Purchase Order option. Once you've found it, you have two choices. You can either click on it to add it to your form, or simply drag and drop it into place. This is a flexible option because it allows you to position it exactly where it makes the most sense in your form. After adding the purchase order element, it's time to configure it to match your needs. Here you'll find different settings and choices that allow you to tailor the form precisely. Start by selecting your preferred currency. This ensures that all orders are accurately processed in a recognizable format for you and your customers. Then move on to setting the payment type. You can choose to sell products or subscriptions, or even collect donations. It's a versatile feature, so think about what makes the most sense for your business. Whether you're handling one-time sales or ongoing subscriptions, this choice will help define how the form operates. Further settings allow more customization. Here you can toggle different options like limiting product selections, deciding whether to show or hide the total purchase amount, and making images clickable. You can also specify whether to use decimals and separator types for precision and clarity in currency presentation. Once everything is configured to your liking, be sure to save your changes. Now your form is ready to collect purchase orders. By following these steps, you ensure a seamless experience for both you and your customers. It's a straightforward process, yet it makes a huge difference in managing orders efficiently. That's it for today's guide. Happy form building, and I hope this helps your business thrive with ease and professionalism.